everyone! Today we're diving into real-time mempool monitoring for Four.Meme tokens on BSC. I'll show you how to detect new token launches and track trades before they're confirmed on-chain, giving you that critical first-mover advantage. All the API links we'll be using today are in the description below, so make sure to check those out. Before we jump in, let me quickly show you what's available. Bitquery's Four.Meme Mempool API offers a comprehensive suite of endpoints including real-time trade monitoring, token creation tracking, large buy and sell detection, liquidity events, migration monitoring to PancakeSwap, and even smart money wallet tracking. Today, we'll focus on two critical use cases: tracking new token creations and monitoring specific token trades in the mempool. Let's start with the most important one: catching new token launches the moment they hit the mempool. Here's how this query works. First, the subscription setup. We're using EVM Network BSC. This mempool. True parameter is crucial. It tells the API to monitor pending transactions, not confirmed ones. The filtering logic. We're filtering for events where the transaction is going to this address. That's the Four.Meme factory contract. And we're looking for the token create event signature, what we're capturing. The query returns everything you need: the complete event signature, all the token creation arguments, including token address, name, symbol, and initial supply, transaction details like the hash, creator address, gas price, and the timestamp. Now let's look at monitoring trades for a specific token in the mempool. This query is perfect when you've identified a token and want to track all pending trades before they execute. The structure. Again, we have mempool true enabled. But notice the filtering. We're using 3 conditions. Protocol must be Four.Meme v1. This captures both buy and sell trades, as we have used any in the filter, to mention both conditions where token is being bought and getting sold. What you get. For each pending trade, you see buyer and seller addresses, token details on both sides, exact amounts being traded, price and USD values, transaction gas details, critical if you want to front run. This is incredibly powerful for detecting large trades before they impact the price. If you see a whale about to buy, you can position ahead of them. If you see a large sell, you can protect your position. The gas price information also tells you how badly someone wants this trade to go through. Higher gas usually means they know something. All the queries we covered today, plus many more advanced strategies, are linked in the description. Make sure to check out the full documentation. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more blockchain data tutorials. Got questions? Leave them in the comments. Happy trading, and remember, with great mempool power comes great responsibility. Trade safely.